Morning children, this is English video session for your class 9. The book which we are doing now is Beehive, and the topic which we are doing now is the sound of music. Unit 2, we have topic as the great musician, that is Bismillah Khan. We have read yesterday about his achievements in the field of music. Now let us go deep into the younger stages of Bismillah Khan, where he was born, how did he grew to be a great phenomenon. The young boy took to music early in life. So this means that he has entered into the field of music much early. At the age of 3, so the age in which he had launched himself into the ocean of music is when his mother took him to the maternal uncle house in Benares, which is now called as Varanasi. Bismillah was fascinated watching his uncles practice the Shehnai. You very well know the name, how Shehnai came. NAI, Nai, belongs to the Barber community which played the Hungi. SHAH, Shah, is the court in which the first time the instrument was played. So the name is Shehnai. Do you get it? Yes. Now we will be knowing about the two main people who were responsible for the improvement of his practice in Shehnai. One, Ali Bux. Who is Ali Bux? He is the uncle of Bismillah Khan. Very good. Ali Bux is used to play Shehnai in the temple of Benares. Where does he regularly play in the early morning? In the Vishnu temple of Benares, where Bux was employed to play the Shehnai. So the day began with Ali Bux Shehnai music in Benares. Ali Bux would play the Shehnai and Bismillah would get captivated. What is the meaning of captivated? Captivated, empowered. You are engrossed in the music. You are taken away by the music. Okay? Captivated. Please make a sentence now. The meaning of captivated is you are getting engrossed, taken up back. So now you can even say as, make a sentence like, the captivating speech of the Prime Minister Modi made the crowd cheer, enjoy. It was a captivating talk by the CEO of the company. The captivating moments of our childhood always lingers in our mind. Can you make 5 more sentences of the word captivated? You're carried away is called captivated. Captivated. Yes. Then slowly he started getting lessons in playing the instrument and would sit practicing throughout the day. So the whole day he would sit and practice in the shores of Ganges For years to come, temple of Balaji and Mangala Maya and the banks of Ganga became the young apprentice's favorite haunts, where he could practice in solitude. Apprentice. What is the meaning of apprentice? The one who is beginning to get into a field is called an apprentice. Who is yet to get improvised, who is in the training period is called an apprentice. 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 The meaning of apprentice is getting into the knowledge of the field. Whichever field we go, we need a training period to become efficient in it. That period, that training period is called apprentice. The spelling is Apprentice. Here, Bismillah Khan is undergoing the period of apprentice in the field of Shehnai playing. He is learning from his uncle Ali Bux. And whatever he has learned, he goes to the banks of Ganga, and there he used to practice it in solitude. What is solitude? Nobody is there. He practices by his own, without anybody to help him or to interact with. He does the practice session of what he learnt all alone. That is solitude. The flowing waters of the Ganga inspired him to improvise and invent ragas that were earlier considered to be beyond the range of Shehnai. What is this range here? There are certain types of music that cannot be only people who have the apt of creating new music, have the intent to make new novelty in a field, can try different forms of music. Here is Bismillah Khan trying to make new ragas which were not so familiar before, and he also made sure that it could be very easily possible in Shehnai also. In fact, it was he who tried the various tunes in Shehnai and made it more friendly to the people. Now we have to see about what happened in the age of 14. What happened to him? It was a conference. He attended a conference. At the age of 14, Bismillah accompanied his uncle to the Allahabad Music Conference. What is the main impact of this conference? At the end of his recital, Ustad Fayaz Khan patted the young boy and said, "Work hard and you shall make it." Here is a genius in the music. Here is a music epitome, considered as an epitome, that is Ustad Fayaz Khan, who is encouraging the young 14-year-old Bismillah as, you have the talent in you and you will be doing very well in the future. The first place where he got an opening is All India Radio and in Lucknow. 1938, the year 1938, he got the opening as in the All India Radio to play the Shanai. What happened at that? It was a big break because at the time in 1938, the radio was considered as the great medium to reach the people. The first performance of Bismillah Khan reached nook and corner of the country, and his fame was totally recognized everywhere. After that, very often one could see him playing Shenoy on the radio. When India gained independence on 15th August 1947, it was Bismillah Khan who became the first Indian to play the Shana. He poured his heart out. What is the meaning of poured his heart out? If you give anything fully from your heart, if your performance is so involved from your heart, okay, he poured his heart out. The meaning of your heart out is to give out from deep from his heart into Rag Kafi. He gave out Rag Kafi, the name of the rag which he sang, which he gave his performance was Rag Kafi. It was from the Red Fort, and the most important audience of the day was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. And after the performance of Bismillah Khan, Jawaharlal Nehru gave his famous speech, that is, the tryst with destiny. So 1947, 15th August, the day when India got independence, it was Bismillah Khan who gave the first performance from the Red Fort. The rag which he sang was Rag Kafi. After his speech, after his performance, it was Jawaharlal Nehru who gave his speech on the tryst with destiny. Now, he has not stopped his performance in India alone. We now know that his fame has extended to other countries abroad. Countries other than India is referred to as abroad, ABROAD. His first trip abroad was to Afghanistan. So, the first place where he gave his performance other than India was Afghanistan. And it was King Zahir Shah. The performance was conducted before Zahir Shah. He was so taken by the maestro that he gifted him priceless Persian carpets and other souvenirs. Souvenirs? Gifts. The king of Afghanistan was not only one to be fascinated with Bismillah's music, film director Vijay Bhatt. Now, there is another venture to his field of music, that's the film industry. Vijay Bhatt was so impressed after hearing the Bismillah's music that he named the film after the instrument called Gunj Uthi Shenai. Please read and count. The remaining shall continue with the remaining in the next class. Thank you.